The common cold is making a comeback. Hate to say it, doctors say that the tactics used to prevent COVID over the last year have had a dramatic effect on other viruses as well. Andrea Lucia discovered firsthand as life starts to return to normal, we'll see a return of some things that honestly we didn't really miss.
You want to go back to sleep?
This was 2-year-old Mateo this weekend, looking pretty miserable after he caught what was likely a cold virus. As his mom, I can tell you he's normally pretty happy. But like many families, we've been going out a little more and wearing our masks a little less. That also means we may be getting sick a little more often.
When we started distancing, wearing these masks, washing our hands, it made a huge difference. And so particularly the mask. Those things work for all airborne illnesses.
Dr. David Winter with Baylor Scott & White says cases of the common cold and flu plummeted over the last year.
Surprisingly, I haven't seen one since last March. So now
you haven't seen a what since last March?
A cold virus. Zero. And now this last week, they're popping up all over the place.
Dallas County, which tracks influenza-like illnesses, has seen cases of several viruses start to rise. Children's Medical Center Dallas told me it's treated 99 cases of RSV since September. 86 of those were in the past month and a half. While these viruses are often mild in adults, they can be serious in kids. Most years, as many as 200 children's deaths in the U.S. are tied to the flu. This past year, we saw just one. All that data is now offering new insight on how we may prevent sickness in the future.
So it's changing my thoughts about how often I should wear a mask and how far I should stay away from people.
Dr. Winter said if you have an immune disorder or other high-risk health condition, you may want to consider continuing to wear your mask. He said even if you're healthy and vaccinated, you may want to drag it back out if you know you're going to be around sick people or if you are out in public in the middle of flu season. It is always an option. Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.